everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. I am Achray, and if you are coming for the very first time on my channel, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So I do videos related to makeup, beauty, skincare, sometimes lifestyle. So yeah, if you are interested and if you like watching my content, make sure you are subscribed. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So this particular video was a kind of most requested video on my channel and I have never done this. I have reviewed many brushes related to this, but I have never done an entire makeup brushes collection. Now I had many brushes earlier, but then उसमें से मैंने कुछ जो brushes हैं I have segregated them and I am left with only these two tubs with me. Now this is a storage thing which you can easily get in your local market or in your I think Amazon पे भी आपको मिल जाएगा. और guys ये तो आप देख ही रहे हो, ये इंडियन जुगाड़ है. ये है this is some hair mask का डब्बा and there I have kept all my brushes. Now apart from this I also have many single brushes. So first of all I will be talking about single brushes and then I will move towards the sets, and I might not have the full set of the brush because sometimes what I do is I give it away, sometimes I give it to my sister, give it to my mom, इधर उधर मैं देती रहती हूँ. But there are some sets which you can get from Amazon which are really worth buying. So let's get started with the singles first. First brush which I bought from my own money and which was a little bit of costly, it was the PAC 265 brush and this is how it looks like. तो ये एक फ्लैट टॉप kabuki brush है. इसको मैंने 2 साल पहले ऑर्डर किया था when I was getting married. Now I really heard many great things about this one. तो इसका जो ये फ्लैट टॉप है एंड बहुत ही स्लीक सा ब्रश है, यू कैन सी. तो आप इससे बहुत ही अच्छे से क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स को ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ब्लेंड योर फाउंडेशन विद दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्रश. It will look amazing and because it is densely packed, so it will help in blending your foundation really well. So I really like this brush for that quality. Again, the bristles are so soft. One more pack brush is this one. This is the PAC 231, if you can see here. Now this brush I have heard from Kavya's makeover, if I'm not wrong, or Kavya's Face the Glam, maybe. Yes, Face the Glam. So her name is Kavya, so she used to love this particular brush, so I thought of trying this. Now this is again very closely packed and it is very good for blending your foundation. Now because this is dome shaped, if you see these two brushes, तो ये flat top है और ये थोड़ा सा dome shaped है. So what you can do is you can also contour your face using this one. You can blend your concealer also using this one because ये थोड़ा सा flat है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा है, but this is very dense and very I would say compact brush. So very nice for beginners, and if you want to get one brush, so you can get this one because इससे आप powder भी अच्छे से कर सकते हो. This is the second brush. One of my favorite brushes is this one. This is by Wet n Wild and you can see I have used it so much that यहाँ से इसका जो color है वो हट रहा है. Now this is again a flat top kabuki brush, so it is very good for applying your brush, your foundation, your powders. I do everything with this brush. Only I think कि थोड़ा contour powder लगाने में थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकता है, but it can blend your contour powder really well. So this is the next one. Now moving ahead, I have this one. This is the Nykaa's stippling brush and I dislike this brush. I don't like this brush. Now this was expensive again and I really don't like the quality of this brush because the I would say जो इसकी bristles है, this is so pokey, not at all flattering, and I don't know, like I just can't use this brush. So if you're looking for buying this brush, please don't buy this because this would be a waste of money. I hardly use this brush and not a very big fan of this particular brush. Recent purchase, this is the Cuffs and Lashes F103 brush. Now again this is F013 brush. Now this is again a type of slanting flat top brush, so this is very good for blending your foundation, for applying your powders, your concealer, blending your concealer, doing contouring. You can see that I have done a full-fledged review on these brushes. I will make sure to leave that in down so you can go and check it for yourself what this does. But again, this is a very nice unique brush क्योंकि ऐसा shape का brush I don't have, and yeah, it has this slanting edge, so it is very easy to apply your contour as well. You can see that it has a very nice grip to it. So yes, this is the next one. Next brush which I have been using and I have been loving this one. This is again by Wet n Wild. This is in the variant P53. Now can you see the brush? It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty, and it has a dome shaped type of bristles and very fluffy, not very fluffy but yeah, tapered brush है थोड़ा सा, very soft. So what I do with this is that I apply powder under my eyes because it is so precise that it just gets the powder under the eyes very well. And then I also bronze with this one. I can also apply my highlighter with this one. I can also apply my blush with this one. This is a multitasking brush. Only thing which you can't do is you can work with your powder products using this particular brush. One brush which you are looking to buy for applying your powder, blush, contour, you can buy this one because this is really great. This is really amazing. I mean, you have seen me using this one, like I use it like non-stop. It's a really good brush. If you're watching till here, I would want you guys to pause this video and go and grab something to eat or drink because this is going to be a really big video. Yeah. Next brush set I have is this one. This is the Foolsy, I would say fake Foolsy brand. This is how it looks like. तो ये ऐसे 4 brushes के साथ आया था. It also had eye brushes. वो मैं आपको eye brushes जब दिखाऊंगी मैं तब दिखा दूंगी. So again this is also a great deal. ना जितने भी brushes मैंने अभी तक खरीदे हैं ना सेट वाले Amazon से, ये बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. This worked the best. हाँ, this came somewhere around $5.99 or $4.99, not, I don't remember exactly, but then if you have seen, I use them quite a lot. I mean, if you can see, I use this to apply powder to blend my foundation when all my other brushes are dirty. And this one you see, this is again Sigma का brush का copy है. You can see कि थोड़ा सा यहाँ से tilted है, तो आप इससे अपना concealer blend कर सकते हो, अपने जो है bronzer लगा सकते हो. Everything you can do with this one. And again you get 2 dome shaped brushes, which is again you can use it multiply, like applying your blush, applying your contour, applying like blending your concealer and everything. So I feel कि ये वाला जो brush set है, this is very worthy. I'm going to show you the eye brushes also when when we move towards the section. But then if you want to buy a set, if you're a beginner, so consider buying these one because ये जो है ये बहुत sturdy भी है. Like these are very sturdy, I would say. And the next set of brushes are this one. So can you see, these are so pretty. Now I didn't get these brushes from my own money. I got this as a PR. And when I just started my channel, I got these as a PR. I have done full-fledged review. I'm going to link it down below. So so इनका जो brand है, I don't remember exactly, but ये ना कुछ Zurani करके ब्रांड था. आई विल लिंक दैट डाउन बिलो द वीडियो, यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट. तो मुझे ना इनके ब्रशेस इतने पसंद आए. आई मीन आई यूज दिस ब्रश द मोस्ट. इफ यू कैन सी, इट इज so fluffy and then it is in the tapered type of brush. So again you can work with hundreds of powder things with this one because इससे आप bronze कर सकते हो, इससे आप powder लगा सकते हो. You can also apply your blush using this one. Plus it looks super duper good. Now ऐसे इसमें 2 brushes आए थे तो मेरे पास 2 के 2 हैं. I love using these. And again I have a contour brush like this. Now I don't use it very much, but then इससे आप powder बहुत अच्छे से लगा सकते हो अपने face पे. I gave one of the brushes to my sister. तो ये भी बहुत अच्छा ब्रश है. इसके अंदर बहुत अच्छे से आप इसको blend कर सकते हो. ये थोड़े से costly होंगे I suppose because when I checked these prices of these brushes, I saw that this is a little bit expensive than the other brushes in my collection. Now this is a flat top brush, तो इससे आप अच्छे से अपना foundation blend कर सकते हो. Yeah. So again, these are a really good value for money brushes. So the next one, this is one of my first brushes which I got when I started my channel. So these are these brushes. तो ये शायद generic के brushes हैं, ये अभी भी मिलते हैं. Pink set है ये. And I had the pink set with me. तो इसके अंदर एक basic सा foundation blending brush आपको मिल जाएगा. Again a brush to blend your foundation cream products. And yeah, these are the brushes. Now if you see, these are all similar type of brushes. इसमें कोई आपको powder brush नहीं मिलता, but then you can use these in several ways. The quality is also good. I have been using them I think more than 3 years now, so quality is really good. And I made a video also बहुत पहले, थोड़ी funny है वो video. I'm going to link it. You can go and see. So yeah, these are the brushes. बट आई वोंट रिकमेंड दिस क्योंकि ये है बहुत सस्ते, 200 में 300 में मिल जाएंगे. बट इफ़ यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट रेगुलरली ना, सो मे बी आपको इसकी जो बॉडी है वो अलग हो सकती है. सो इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर एंड इफ़ यू डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मनी टू स्पेंड, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दीज. ओके, and I have this particular set, like this is a separate set, this was a separate set, both are Pune Store, you can see. So Pune Store was a brand which was very popular when I just started out my channel. So in this particular set you will get a cover also, and I got this one because it has a big fan brush, it has a powder brush, and again it has a contour brush. It works wonderfully as a contour brush or as a blush brush. If you are a beginner, I will highly suggest you these brushes because first of all they have so many brushes, cost effective, and yeah, very nice and soft bristles also. Now let's move towards the eye brushes. Already the video is so long, but I'm going to end this one. First of all, I'm going to start with the single brushes. Guys, so first I am going to show you some brushes from the brand Pro Arte, and this was again a brand which was very famous when I just started out. So the very first brush which I have is this one. This is the Pro Art PE22 brush. Now this is a fluffy brush, if you can see, so it is very good to, you know, blend the eyeshadow here, over here, also on the crease. You can easily blend your eyeshadow here. But if you have smaller eyelids, less space, then it might be a problem to blend it, because I have like some big space near my eyelid, so I can easily, you know, blend the shadow here. But if you have like very less eyelid space, I think this is not going to be your thing. So this particular brush, which is the next brush, this is the PE23 brush. This can be useful because this has a tapered end, and again it is not very fluffy, so you can easily apply the eyeshadow here and blend it if you have like less eyelid space, and you can very easily, you know, apply the color over here and blend, apply the color over here and then blend. So it's a very nice and easy to work with. So now the bristles are very soft. These are like very soft. I really like the bristles. So yeah, this will be the next brush in my collection. Then it is a very recent purchase, haven't used it once. So this is the Pro Arte AE24. So I got this because it has a very nice packaging. You can see it's a like white bristles are there. Again, it's a fluffy brush, but it is not as fluffy as this one. If you can see closely, let me show you closely. So if you can see this brush, it is a little bit more fluffier, and this is not that fluffier. So if you want to, you know, blend your eyeshadow here, so when you do cut crease and you want to, you know, mix the blend or blend two eyeshadows, then it is going to be very useful. Again, if you have a smaller lid space, then also you can use this one. So these are the three from Pro Art. Now coming to the PAC Cosmetics brushes, I have two brushes from their side. So one is a recent purchase which I haven't used. This is the PAC 208 brush. Now I wanted a very precise applicator brush, so this is very helpful when you are, you know, packing the product over here, or you want to smudge your waterline, or you want to apply anything here or here. So this is very soft, very nice, very dense brush. And now this is the liner brush. This is in the number 10123. Again, I really like the liner brush. It does the job very nicely, and yeah, I use it to apply my gel eyeliners, or I would say pressed or body paints. I apply the body paints using this particular one. Now coming to the set, so I have this set from, I think this is from Shein or Amazon, I don't remember exactly. So this is how it looks like. So it has this brush. So this is you can, you know, do your eyebrows with this brush, or you can also apply your liner. And again, this is a pencil brush. You also get a fluffy brush for blending the eyeshadow. Then you also get these type of brush. Again, this will help in blending the you know, lower lash line. And you have two more brushes which I'm not very big fan of. So this is how it looks like. Now I will not recommend you getting these ones because these are not that good quality. So that's why I really don't like these brushes. These are just Kam Chilao brushes I am owning in my collection. One more set, this is the one. These are the sets which I showed you, the foundation brushes as well. So this has two fluffy brushes and also one pencil brush. Now the quality of these brushes are really good, and these are so soft and so gentle. So I highly recommend you these brushes. And if I find the link, I am going to link it down below, so you can get this set for yourself if you want to buy a really good quality brush set. This is a very small cute fan brush which you can use to apply your highlighter in the inner corners, here on the cupid's bow, on your nose, on your chin. So this is a very nice highlighter brush. This is Cuffs and Lashes E001. This is again very unique. I highly recommend you this brush. The set of the pink brushes, so these are the eye brushes. Again, it has a fluffy brush, again I would say slanted fluffy brush, and this is the pencil brush. So again, these are okay quality, so if you want you can get it. So one thing I really like about these brushes is that these are so soft, so बहुत easily सब blend. These are the Foolsy brushes, fake Foolsy brushes, but the quality of these are amazing. One set which I would recommend you is this Foolsy one, and the other one is this particular one. I think Zureni, its name is Zureni. So just look at the build of the brushes. I mean, these are so sturdy. These are super duper sturdy, super duper long. These are not short brushes. These are very long brushes, and this is a very nice fluffy, blending brush. And you can also apply your highlighter with this one. This is a less fluffier blending brush for that precise blending. And then again, one more blending brush you have. Then again, this blending brush you have. So really worth for money, because the blend, like the width of these and the build of these particular brushes are really good. So I really like them. I highly recommend them. Now moving forward, these are the brush set which I already have shown you by Pune store. So this is a set of the brushes which you get inside that pack. So again, this type of brush you get to apply or to pack the eyeshadow. Then again, you get a blending brush, then eyeshadow packing brush. You can pack the eyeshadow using this one. Even you can also apply concealer using this one. This is again same. Now coming to the next one, this has a very short thing, so you can cut your crease using this one. And again, this is a very small applicator brush. Again, you can apply the glitter eyeshadow over here if you want to apply, or you can also highlight your inner corner using these brushes. And you also have a smudger brush with you, and this is again a normal blending brush. So again, these are really good. I have already done the review of these brushes. I'm going to leave it in the description box. You can go and watch the entire review. You also get an eyeliner brush, but this is not very good. Brushes which I forgot to show you is this one. This is the Cuffs and Lashes F011 brush. This is the concealer blending brush. So it blends the concealer really well, but is it necessary to buy this? No, this is not at all necessary. Now one more brush which I like is this one. This is the Nykaa concealer brush. Now this is really good because you can apply the concealer using this one. You can go inside here also, so it's a really good brush. And one more brush which I really like is this one. This is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. Now you can apply eyeshadow with this. You can cut your crease. You can do many things using this one. You can also clean out your eyebrows using this. So yeah, these are the brushes. Next brushes. That I end my video. Now these are the brushes which I use and I own. I know these are a lot of brushes. You don't need these much brushes, but because I am a makeup enthusiast and I do videos like this, that is why I like purchasing brushes for myself and apply and using them and review for you guys. These are the brushes which I have collected over the time period of 3 years. And yeah, that's about and yeah, let me know how you liked it and which brushes you like the most. Okay, one more brush which I wanted to show you before. I forgot to show you these brushes. This is the Cuffs and Lashes E008 brush. Again, there's a blending brush. This is great for people having less eyelid space because it can go to the depth here also. Precise application, precise blending you can do with this one. Now this is another brush. This is by Maybelline. I got it free. Now this is a little bit wet because I just washed them. So this is an applicator. You can apply the foundation with it, even you can blend it. And this is a powder brush, very great for traveling. So I have this one. And the next one is this. This is again by Cuffs and Lashes. This is their E002 brush. Again, one side you are having this slanted brush and one side you are having spoolie. Great for filling out your eyebrows and carving them and also brushing them. Now you cannot apply liner with this because this is again very stiff. This is not very what should I say, very soft. So yeah, you might have problem applying eyeliner. So this is very good for filling up your brows and defining them. Guys, that was about it. This was a very long video, I know. Let me know which one of these were your favorites, and I will see you guys in my next video. And subscribe, like, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.